Drinking my cup, my cup, my cup. New mouse, new mouse. It's an old mouse actually. It's not new. I just needed to swap out from my original mouse because this thing fucking sucks, bro. It's a Razer. Let me tell you guys something, bro. Look, Razer Death Adder V3 Pro, like a fucking. This is like $160 mouse. I bought what is that, BTR grip tape maybe? I think it's called BTR grip tape. BTR grip tape on this thing, and I also bought Super Glad glass skates. These are like $30 mouse skates, bro. Like 30 bucks just for the mouse skates alone. Um, this thing's scroll wheel has broken for the second time. The first the first one that I bought, the scroll wheel broke, so I had to send it back. And the one that I sent back also had the Super Glide mouse skates, bro. 30 bucks. Sent it back and they sent me a brand new mouse, but it didn't have that, so lost out on those. Um, and now I'm having the same issue as the first one with the mouse wheel. Every time I scroll out or like I scroll in, if I try and scroll up, it will like jump up and down. It doesn't work, bro. It's so fucking ass. So same fucking issue with this Razer mouse, bro. It's really shitty. Um, it's a good mouse though. It feels so good. It feels so good in my hand. But this shit fucking sucks, bro. It's an issue every time with this mouse, bro. And it's the same one with the scroll wheel. Same one every time, bro. Let me show y'all the other one. This is my backup mouse. Still a really good mouse. I just don't really use it, and there's a reason. The G502. This is the new one, G502 Hero. Um, this thing is good also, but okay, hold on. Okay, this thing is good also, bro. It feels so good in the hand. Like this thing feels so good in the hand. It is heavy. It is heavy, but the weight, like the ergo, how it feels in the hand is like it beats like everything. The Death Adder also feels really good though. Um, Problem with this mouse, also super glides on it, right? These are like $30 mouse skates on this, like $30 mouse skates, right? I'm gonna turn this thing on, right? I just turned this thing on. The fucking sensor doesn't even work, bro. The fucking sensor doesn't even work. The sensor doesn't work, bro. The sensor right here, that's fuck in here. That's supposed to be red. It's supposed to light up red in there. Nothing, because the sensor fucking broke. I don't even use this mouse. I don't even use this mouse. It's just fucking broken. So I can't use the buttons work. The buttons work. Actually, I want to see if the scroll wheel works. Okay, the scroll wheel works and everything, but the fucking sensor on the G502 Hero broke. And I don't even use the mouse. I don't rage. I don't throw the mouse because I don't fucking use it. So this thing just doesn't even work out of nowhere. $160 mouse right here, by the way, with grips. $190 mouse. Razer Death Adder V3 Pro, second one I've had. $160 mouse, $30 mouse skates, $200 mouse. Scroll wheel is ass. Fuck this thing. So, you know what I have to do? I have to use this thing. This Steel Series Aerox 3 that I've had for the last 2 years, 3 years. I've put way more hours on this thing than the last two mouse combined. I've put more hours just on this thing alone. This thing, scroll wheel, works perfect. Sensor, never given out. It feels like ass to hold in hand. It feels like shit to hold in hand, pretty much. But it works. So I can't complain with that, bro. The mouse skates on this thing are horrible too. Let me show you. These mouse skates are so bad. Like it feels like there's glue on the bottom of them. So like dragging it on the mouse pad feels so bad, but it works. So I can't really complain about it, bro. It works better than my $260 mouse. Actually, they're 200 bucks. After all the mods I did to them, 200 bucks. So this is like a $60 mouse or something, $50 mouse that I've had for multiple years, and it works better than the two like fucking expensive ones. It's so funny how that works, bro. Hey, and also, yeah, bro, those two mouse are also like fucking 8 months old, 9 months old. Fucking sucks, man. Fucking sucks. Cause I actually like those mouse, actually. Go for doing kind of things. I love them big booty girls and they in Miami. Bum, 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 bum. Hmm, hmm. Can I make this bigger? Like that. Okay. Alright, man. It's a new week, man. Let's get it. verdad justos. Everywhere I live, don't be doing good things. All the girls love me, man. I love that boy, big booty girls when I'm in Miami. 662. Oh my god, bro, shorts are gonna come in here. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm looking for in a minute. Just loading up some charts and shit. Okay, take profit. No, we're doing good things. Okay. We do want to watch that though. Okay. This is what we're looking for. This is the move that I'm looking for, right? We saw a retracement down. We formed an SMT here on ES and NQ. We formed this SMT, um, which formed on Friday. I think it might have been aftermarket. No, it was like late Friday though. Formed an SMT. We pulled back a little bit from the SMT, and now I want to see this thing fully fill to the downside, which I do think will happen here. So, saw this move come down. I do want to see it come back up a little bit, which it kind of did already. Enough to my liking, I'd say. So, let's go to NQ now. You can see the SMT formed on NQ. NQ made the lower high on Friday, and ES made the higher high on Friday, which forms an SMT, right? And since it's making highs, we're looking to aim for the lows now. So, and we can see on NQ right here, you can see my level I have. Came back down, like I said, came back up a little bit to my level that I have right here. And now we're on the downside again. And now my entry that I want to look for is right here. This fair value gap right here. And can I make a line in the middle? Or no? Coordinates. Mm-mm. Fuck, I wish I could put like a line in the middle. It's okay. So, I want to see a
Here on the NASDAQ.
Tony,
Yo, good morning.
good morning. How you doing?
I'm not doing too bad. Not doing too bad. Ready to make some money. I
Hell yeah.
got a fresh new account, so I'm ready to get some dubs today.
Did you blow? Did you blow your others?
Yeah, bro, I've been blowing through accounts like crazy, bro.
Oh no.
But a big part of it was that I was trading on my phone because my computer wasn't working, and I just got it to like kind of work. So
Yeah.
I think I might be able to. Let me see your analysis. Interesting.
Bro, does a fair value gap form even when like price was lower than like how much any of this?
Fair value gaps. Yeah, they do form, but the ones that you want to take trades off of are ones that are near highs and lows.
Gotcha.
Those are the ones that you really want to go after. Or like, let me see.
So would that be a fair value gap from that wick? But like you see those candles next, does that make that fair value gap invalid? I don't know.
So the fair value gap isn't what you circled. It's that big red
Right.
candle to the right of that.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah.
those candles that are circled, because those are lower than the one on the right, does that not make it a fair value gap?
No, that doesn't those don't make a difference. It's
Okay.
only a fair value gap only consists of 3 candles. The one on the left, the middle one's always gonna be the actual fair value, and then the one on the right.
Right.
And you what makes that fair value gap is the bottom of the first and the top of the right, if it's bearish, and then you reverse it if it's bullish. So, it doesn't, no, it doesn't invalidate it.
Okay, I see.
We're only looking at the 3 candles.
I
That's what
see.
at least that's what Dubster taught. That's what ICT teaches too, so
Right.
Good morning, fellas.
yo, good
Good
morning,
morning.
brother. Yo, I can't wait for ICT to drop that inverse fair value gap teaching, bro.
Oh shit, he's gonna drop one.
Yeah, he posted on his community channel that he's gonna do a full teaching on inverse fair value gaps.
Oh,
I'm hella
nice.
I'm gonna try to really study that one.
Yeah, it's a different model for sure.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good one. I know someone that traded only inverses.
Yeah.
Uh, I can send you a link to the Discord if you want. He's a full ICT trader.
Yeah, send it to me. I'll check it out.
Let's see. He does. You can request videos, and he'll explain any type of model that you're interested in. He does
Sick.
videos for them. So if you
Yeah,
having like struggles, this guy is like really, really good.
cool.
He's a
Yeah,
little
send
kid, but for some reason he's very talented.
yeah, for sure. I'd love to learn more.
Let's see.
I'm taking the 2022 mentorship right now, and I'm watching every video. It's like definitely a lot of different models he introduces. So I'm trying to just stick to a couple of them.
Stick to one or two.
Yeah, like within 5 videos, he covers like 3 models. It's a lot, but I think
Yeah.
I'm gonna focus on just value gaps mostly, and like maybe order blocks, but mostly for value gaps.
Yep. It's not a bad thing. And then focus on time frames.
Yeah. Right now, I'm focusing on marking certain fair value gaps on like the 45 minute, the 4 hour, and like the 15 minute. Um, uh, which I realized too, there was a a BISI that formed on the first that left a huge imbalance, and it got checked on the second at around around market open, but it didn't break through, and it continued up after. So going off that, we're bullish, but then, obviously, like, there's some other fair value gaps that formed around. There was another one I marked for the second, and we're also bullish off that one. So I have two value gaps marked that were it looks like prices reacting off of. So I don't know if I'm kind of bullish actually. I think we're gonna reach higher highs today, but I'm
Not
gonna
bad
wait.
bias.
Yeah, that's the bias for my personally for me too.
Yeah. What about you, Swusha?
No bias either.
Nice, nice.
Although I kind of do want to see the shorts come in here because we formed an SMT on Friday,
Mm-hmm.
and I think it could play out to the downside a little bit more
Okay.
personally. So I want to see this thing pop back up a little bit more and maybe hop in a short position here.
If um if we drop into the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap that I marked at around what was this? It was like 11. This was on Friday. And if we bounce off of that, I'm gonna go in long. But I don't think I'm gonna take shorts until we break that and it turns into an inverse. I think I'm gonna wait to see how it reacts.
Wait, what for rally are we talking about? Like what time frame and at what price?
Let me see. I marked this at 5 minutes. Let me check. Sorry, I was just let me give me 1 sec, okay? Because I've just been let me find oh, I think this might have been 45 minutes.
Dubs, how do fair value gaps play off the 1 minute? I imagine they're not very strong, but
No, because there's more created. So you have
right.
to pay specifically on sweeps.
What's your like sweet spot would you say for fair value gaps? In what time zone, time frame?
5 minute.
5 minute.
Yeah, that's why I only trade on 5 minute. Like everything I post for the most part is on 5 minute.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
okay.
it's a 4 hour. Um, and I noticed for some reason, at least from what I've seen so far, is the market respects uh 4 hour fair value gaps a lot.
Well,
As
Mark
well.
is gonna
Mm,
respect the high time frame.
Right.
yeah.
So you
So
get
it's
structure of bias by doing a high time frame. Look at the way. So you're talking about the fair value gap that got created on February 2nd,
yeah, 10 o'clock.
the 10 o'clock. Okay,
Yeah.
look at the fair value gap that got created on 2 p.m. on February 1st. I mean,
On February
on Thursday, February 1st. You see how price action came down to consequent encroachment?
Yep. Yep. I have
And
that exact one marked on my map on my
look at the
chart.
candle that got created on January 31st on Wednesday. See that bullish breaker? That's a bullish breaker candle.
You're talking about the one at what time? You're talking about the
4 hours.
one. No, but at what time? Like what?
At 2 p.m. The candle
Okay.
got
Yeah.
created at 2 p.m.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that candle's a bullish breaker, right?
Right.
That's a bullish breaker. That top wick is a bullish breaker. The candle that got created on February 1st with the fair value gap, that's a bullish fair value gap. That's a busy. Price action then came down, grabbed the bullish breaker, and consequent encroachment of that fair value gap. So now, if you want to see repetition, if you jump down to the 1 day, go into the daily time frame, and look at the candle that got created on January 19 on Friday.
On the
January
daily.
19 Friday. Yeah, on the daily.
On which day?
January 19, Friday.
On Oh
See,
wow.
see that
Wow.
bullish for rally gap?
Yep. Yep.
Now look at the candle that got created on
Chat, let me
December
show y'all
28,
something.
Thursday.
Let me show y'all something here.
That top wick candle of December 28 is your bullish breaker.
If y'all noticed,
So that's the reason why you choose that specific candle with that specific fair rally gap.
it's new.
Because there's a bullish
It's new.
breaker, the candle broke and closed above the bullish breaker and
It's a
left an
light breaker.
imbalance. Price
Oh.
action then came down
We
to
got
consequent
some
encroachment and
movement in the
bounce.
market right now,
So
though.
as a daily structural bias,
I want to
that's how
catch
you
this
get a
guy.
bias on higher time frames
Look
analysis.
at that fucking
So what you just
rejection,
did
bro.
on a 4 hour time frame is legit your structural bias. So since you're a intraday trader, If your 4-hour bias is bullish, you're going to be looking for longs on a 5-minute time frame, 50-minute time frame, or even the 1-minute time frame.
Right. Just off of that bias and going off of those fair value gaps.
Yes, because when you're trading on high time frames, you're trading with bankers. Because the banks traders, they trade based off a daily time frame and weekly time frame.
Order
That's what they
submitted.
look at. So if you're trading with them, you're looking at daily time frame, and
Order
that's what you want to
filled.
look at. So you get a structured bias like them.
Okay, interesting. That
Mhm.
definitely helps. That fair value gap at on the 19th on Friday, that definitely confirms
Stop
my bullish
filled.
bias, because it's we it looks like it went into consequent encroachment, but it didn't break the gap. So that would indicate that we're still bullish according to that.
Then jump into the weekly time frame and look at the candle that got created on January 16th.
January 16th.
See how that's a fair value gap?
You said on January 16th?
Yep, on the weekly time frame.
On the weekly. Oh, wow. There's another one right there.
Consequent encroachment. What did price action do? Hit consequent encroachment, bounced.
And it
Did it have
rejected.
a bullish breaker? Yes.
See,
See,
the bullish breaker would have been the isn't the bullish breaker the top of the first candle out of the three, or
no, the top of the high. So the high that got created, the new high.
okay.
Yeah.
So yeah, because it created a new high.
Yep.
Wow, interesting. Okay. So you implement breakers too. You don't just go off of swing.
That's how I find my fair value gaps based on breakers. Whichever candle breaks the breaker and closes above the breaker and leaves a fair value gap, that's the one I choose. I don't care about any other fair value gap, but just the ones that break and close above the breaker or below the breaker, whichever, if it's bullish or bearish.
So then you would look at that one specifically versus those other ones, and you would go off the one on the 16th.
Yes, I would enter based on the ones that broke and closed above the breakers. That's the fair value gap I'm choosing to enter.
Interesting. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense, because it's probably more likely to be respected, right?
Because you have two confluences. You have a breaker and the fair value gap. Yep.
Okay, cool. That's good to know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm excited for the 2022 model. Seems like kind of simple at first, but then when you really listen to what he's saying and take notes, it's like really deep. I mean, it's
the hardest part about that model is patience.
Yeah, dude, each video is like an hour long, bro, and he talks so much. I
mean,
love
even
it. Like I said, I have it's I'm not used to it because I've been out of school for so many years. It's like, reminding me of like when I was in school again. So, but that's what he talks about, is that like he does that on purpose because he wants people who are going to be patient and actually listen, versus just try to get like scalp information, and just leave with that. So yeah, like one of the first things he was talking about was like order blocks, and how like that's also a 3 candle system, like fair value gaps. You have and then he was explaining how an order block is essentially a change of direction. Like that's all, like, how in retail logic it's like, oh, an order block is like all these different things, but for him it's simply 3 candles that indicate a change of direction. That's it. At least the foundation of it. Thought that was interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Like if you guys trade on the 1 minute and look for rally gaps, I always do my stop losses at the order blocks, because the order blocks become protected lows or protected highs depending on what that. And then you find those on the 1 minute so often. Like almost every trend has an order block on the 1 minute, right?
Right.
So if you can identify the order blocks and identify the fair value gap that has an order block, then your stop loss becomes the low of the order block's wick, because that becomes your protected low if you're going longs. If you're going shorts, then that becomes your protected high.
Right. That makes a lot of sense, because that top of the order block is more like it might get tapped, but the market most likely won't break through it unless your bias is wrong or something.
Mm-hmm. Exactly, and that's the point. If your bias is incorrect, then obviously get out of the trade.
Right. Interesting. Yeah, see, in this situation, even though I'm bullish, I still don't feel comfortable taking a position yet because there's a chance we're gonna dip back into at least the consequent encroachment of that fair value gap that we were talking about. We're getting near it, and then we also have some pretty heavy news at 10 or
Yes,
9:40.
sir.
So that's gonna help. That's gonna definitely impact where price goes to. So I'm gonna guess you're bullish too then, Dubster? You're gonna wait for a decent entry?
I no, my bias today is well, long term, yeah, I'm bullish,
Yep.
but I trade based on intraday.
Mm,
So I look for pre-market high and pre-market low. I wait for the sweep. So I wait for either or to get swept and then I counter trade.
mm,
That's why I don't get trades every day. But when I get trades, they make up for those days.
mm. But by doing that, you're guaranteeing a huge movement at least.
Yeah.
So makes
And
a
then
lot of sense.
since I'm on the 5 minute time frame, then I expect a longer range than just the 1 minute time frame.
Dubster, how long have you been trading full time?
Full time, just 2 and 3. Let me see. November 15 is when I stopped working.
Oh, so a
November.
couple months?
Yeah, I just got a couple months.
Yeah, dude, congrats.
I'm
That's
fresh,
awesome.
dude. Thank you.
Was it
Refreshing.
nerve-wracking going full time?
Still is, buddy, because these are my first months. It's actually much more stressful, to be honest. I'm like
Right.
shitting bricks some days and other days. It gets at the
Yeah,
point where I'm like, damn, I should just get a part time just to get something if I get fucked in a
yeah,
month.
just to be like safe.
Yeah, but I saved enough to like be good for like 6 months or so.
Mm,
So
okay.
like right now I'm fine, but it's like getting to my head sometimes, because I don't take a trade every day. So I'm like, some days I'm like worried. I was like, fuck, I should have just taken a trade or something. But
Yeah,
discipline, dude, discipline really hits.
Right.
yeah.
And I've also never traded during these seasons. I mean, I've been trading for 9 months now, just about 9 months. So I haven't traded a complete year yet. So these months are fresh to me. So I do
But
not know how the market moves.
I thought you had like a couple years
Nah, dude, I just
experience.
started.
Really?
What?
Yeah.
Dang, bro.
Damn.
I think what helped me was the fact that I found ICT. I saw the 2022 mentorship and I loved it so much that I stick to that model and I back tested it. And I've been forward testing that model for 6.5 months now. That's all I've been trading.
You said the 2022 or 2023?
2022.
Order
Oh,
submitted.
okay.
Yeah, ICT teaches it on the 1 minute entries, but I back tested and I forward test specifically
Order
for 5
filled.
minute.
Well, he said that those models are fractional, so he says they apply to almost every time frame.
All right, boys.
Yes, the
We
time
are
frames I just
filled
showed
into
you,
shorts on
Yeah.
the
the
weekly,
wheel
daily, and the
right
four
now.
hour, those were the 2022 mentorship model entries.
Right. Yeah. Yeah,
Let's
because when he
see.
was doing his teachings, they were usually on
Let's
larger
see
time
how this
frames, but he said you
plays.
could apply them to whatever.
Probably should have taken
Yes,
shorts at
so
the
you get
top
structural bias and higher time frame,
once
and
I
then you
saw
drop down to
the
the lower
fucking
time frame to get the market
close.
structure.
Mhm.
Once it closed below
Yeah, I
this,
just finished
this
the
level,
10th
I should
video
have entered.
yesterday. So
To be
that was
honest, I was
about finding
thinking about it,
he was
but
talking about premiums and discounts on higher time frames and then like zoning in your
almost got
entry
stopped
depending on
out
that
here.
too.
Mm-hmm.
So that was interesting.
Let's see. Let's see.
Yeah, that depends on the trader you are. If you're gonna choose order blocks, then you're gonna focus on order blocks,
Mhm.
inverses, fair
Let's
value
see.
gaps. But I never recommend for you to like focus entries on multiple things.
No, he says the same thing. He says
We're
just
gonna get
focus on one or
stopped
two
out
because
here
it's just going to be
probably.
more confusing.
Yeah.
But the thing is, I want to take the whole mentorship. Like, I want to do the whole thing. So,
Yeah.
so
We're probably gonna get stopped out here.
even
What up,
though
Walker?
yo,
How you doing? I'm good. How you?
It's another day, buddy.
Grand
Yeah,
Rising RC.
yeah,
Stop
Grand
filled.
Rising. How my boys doing?
what's up,
Good.
brother? Doing
Watching
all
how this
right.
thing goes.
Another day in the markets.
Damn, bro, that's
Mhm.
impressive, Dubs. 9 months and you're full time with it.
Yeah, that's sick, bro. Most people, it takes years to become full-time traders.
Yo, so
Yeah,
we
but
did get
I don't
swapped
know.
out there, man.
I haven't bought anything in realities. I'm gonna give myself a couple months because what if I fail
And then
like
it goes
next
down,
2
bro. I
months or
can't,
so?
bro.
You know, so
Okay.
When you started the mentorship, did you watch all the videos or did you just stick to like those specific models that you pointed out?
I watched everything, but then I just compressed them
I
to the ones
have
I point out.
2
That's
more
when
trades for
those are
the
the ones I
day.
still go back to like almost every day. I
Right.
2
watched
more
those
trades for
videos
the
maybe
day,
like
and I'm
15,
done.
30 times.
New risk
Dude,
management
my
is locked,
goodness. No
bro.
wonder you freaking.
My new risk management is locked, bro. Okay? 3 trades a day. 3 trades a day. That's the limit, bro. If my first trade of the day is a win, I'll step away. But 3 trades a day is my limit. I can't go past that. And we're at 1 trade already. We are at 1 trade right now, so let's see. Dude, I should have entered these shorts at the top. We broke right below one of my zones on the 1 minute, and I
Rip.
hesitated.
So, Dubster, what's a low that you're looking for if you're gonna go in short? If you're gonna like, do you look at like if like you said you're trading off the 5 minutes, so do you go off like a previous day 5 minute low, or like a closing price, or
No,
like
right now the low rate is at 690. We're approaching it. The reason why that low is important right now is because we just failed to make a new higher high. That failure for a new higher high can convince us to become a new lower low. So if this becomes a new lower low, we get relatively equal lows from 674, and we bounce from there and we leave a fair value gap. It's okay to take that rejection.
got you.
Right? Because if you look at the indications, New York already swept pre-market highs. We did that today at 7:30, 8 a.m. That's exactly what we did.
Yep.
So now I'm just looking for the shift.
Got you.
My main target for the days, I mean,
Order
at least for
submitted.
some shorts, I'm looking for pre-market lows, which would be 664, about 150 ticks from here down
Right.
lower, and then the next target would be 632.
Got you.
All right, we're gonna try a short position off this break of the 690 level that we can see right here, that you guys can see right here. 690. If we break this, I'm gonna enter a short position.
Because if you were a 1 minute time frame trader, like a fair value gap trader, you would be in this trade already in shorts.
Mm.
The entry was on candle 940.
Yeah. Yep. It was a small one, but it still fits the rules, so technically it would have been.
Yeah, if it's the real, because that trend broke the low from 9.
This is also gonna fit the 15-minute breakout if we do break this 690 level. So, or I guess technically I already broke that. No. Yeah, this will be a 15-minute breakout, and we're breaking below a level, so it's pretty strong confluence here. We'll hold that to my level, actually. Hold it down here. 240 ticks. It does hit.
He does every time he hops on, so it wouldn't surprise.
What is Swush's thing for YouTube?
Yeah, I had to ask him too for that.
I think it's Dutch. It's either
Dutch?
Yeah, Dutch or Swush trading.
Dutch Swush.
I wonder if you search up Swush trading if it will pull up.
I
It
wonder.
does.
Oh, it does. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's
Told you
see.
my mom be hopping on here.
Swush
Do I need to wash my
trading.
mouth?
No. No, we already went in on them.
Yo, shout
Yeah.
out RC's mom. Yo.
Yo,
Shout out RC's mom.
No, we. So that's.
It's funny. Oh, fuck, why am I
Random Danish kid.
random? Mustaki, thank you. Is that one of you? Was that you?
no, what are you talking about?
No.
Wow.
What is it? Someone donated something?
No, someone followed on Twitch.
Oh,
Yo, shout out Mustaki, man. Shout out Mustaki01. RC, what's your bias today? If you have one.
I was thinking it was gonna be a short day,
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
but
same
it's
here.
holding this trend I have up here.
It's pretty it's wiki price action.
I want to see us take out that pre-market high. That I know he said it already happened, but I mean I don't think we grabbed it all at the 739.25.
Okay. Okay. I'm trying a take profit account this week.
are you?
Yeah.
I'm about a TP right now.
I might enter off the break of the 690. It's also a 15-minute
If we
breakout.
hit the low of that wick at 943, I'm gonna take profit about $1,000.
Oh, nice.
So it's about a hit, and then I'm out.
Order
There it
filled.
is.
Okay, we
Nice.
filled in there.
I'll take it.
Nice trade.
Nice little foul.
Nice
Nice
little
little-
trade.
Yes, sir. There's if it's gonna drop lower, it might even go down into that 666 range. It's possible. I don't know if it'll hit it, but not for me. I'm just gonna wait. I don't know what price is. It's a good chance. Oh, it just created another fair value gap, so that means we're still bearish.
Let's go Bears.
So yeah, we might drop.
Oh fuck. Bro, I hate when I'm trying to like scroll on TradingView and I accidentally like move like a level.
Yeah,
That should ever
yeah, that
happen.
undo button comes in handy for that.
Yeah, bro. That shit is so clutch. 40 ticks. Where did it form that fair value gap you were talking about?
It's at 9:49. I'm trading on the 1 minute now, so it's at 9:49, and we filled the break even into the gap so far. So that shows signs that we could continue down, but then if price consolidates, we can possibly jump back into that range.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm just looking to see if we break through the consequent encroachment of it, because if we don't, I might take a short again. But right now, I'm gonna just wait a little bit because we can consolidate up a bit.
Nope.
Here, if you want, I'll mark it too, and then I'll put in there.
Yo, what's good, Ariel?
Yo, good morning.
Yo,
Morning,
good
bro.
morning.
My friend just texted me. He said I'm too greedy.
Aren't we all sometimes, bro?
Yeah. Shit comes with trading.
Yeah,
Yo, do y'all mainly just do Forex?
Futures.
I do strictly futures, personally.
Yeah.
Right.
You been thinking about Forex?
A little bit, but like I'm liking like options trading right now. I mean, it just feels like gambling, but at the same time, it's like it's been working pretty well.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's super.
Honestly, go ahead.
No, yeah, I've just heard it's super volatile because of like the theta and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just can't hold it. You don't want to hold it overnight. Like news could like just fuck you in the ass.
Yeah, that's the thing too. Holding overnight. Bro, that honestly, if you're gonna trade options, if you want to trade options, just move to futures, bro. Because futures, you don't have to worry
Mhm.
about the Greeks of. I mean, RC traded options, so he could
Yeah,
tell you like futures is way more simple.
Honestly, I never really understood futures. Like you're just trading like commodities. Like I don't get it.
contracts.
Yeah,
Yeah, no,
It's
I get it.
future. It's future contracts for like the for QQQ or something like that for the
Right.
yeah,
Nasdaq, and then S&P for the ES.
like SPY correlates to the S&P, which is ES on futures.
But does it work the same as like stocks where like you buy it at one price and you sell it at one price?
Yeah, that's
Like,
exactly
Yeah,
how it works. Yep. But there's no like decay or time or anything. It's just whenever you buy or sell.
but do you guys just buy shares or you guys buy like contracts, like puts and calls?
Contracts. It's just a contract.
Right. That's sick.
I kind of want to look into Forex, I'm not gonna lie. But I also don't, dude. All the people I see on the internet just make me not want to be a part of that.
Like the dudes flexing their like Lambos and like mansions and shit and like
Yeah,
I swear most of that shit gotta be fake.
yeah. Well, most of it's not coming from their trading. I'll tell you
Right.
that.
Yeah, your Discord is getting pretty big, bro. I keep seeing people joining like every day.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of crazy.
It's kind of lit.
Kind of crazy. Just want to keep seeing it grow. Once we hit 100 members, I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna just lock in like everyone that's in here, and then eventually I want to make it paid once like we have a good foundation and I feel
Yeah,
comfortable with
that's cool.
that.
That's cool. Like, what futures are you looking at right now?
We're all on NQ.
NQ?
Yes, sir.
For futures traders, that's like most people
Stop
trade
filled.
NQ.
Stopped out here.
Okay.
Yeah, most people trade NQ.
Like, what do you guys use? Like, what platform do you guys trade futures on?
My brokerage is TradeOvate, but I use TradingView because of the charting and stuff, and you can
Yeah,
connect. So
yeah,
that's what
trading's peak.
like I trade solely off TradingView just because of like you can chart and map things a bit easier.
Mm-hmm.
Right. That's fire. I mean, but I think, Doug, didn't you like send me a link once? Like, you had to like pay for like a lender's account or something, or that, like they give you money?
Yeah, that's like a prop firm.
Like, what is that? Like, is that part of like futures? Do you need that?
Uh, no, you don't need that, but if you want to trade with like if you want to trade with like a 50K account, meaning you can like technically leverage more,
Right.
um, then you could use their capital and like you pass a test and then you get a funded account.
It's pretty sick.
Yeah. It's just like a tool. Honestly, I think it's good for people that are just getting into trading futures because you don't really have to risk like a lot of your own money. You can kind of learn better, I think.
Yeah, it's valid. I don't know. I'm just waiting for Apple to hit like 187, like 12, and then I'm buying a put.
Are you trading right now?
Yeah, I'm just watching it and waiting for it to fucking move.
Yeah, futures is so much easier. Just to deal with like number wise, like you don't want to deal with any of this stuff.
Yeah,
And
bro.
then with stocks, you have to trade with like 25,000, right? Or else you get patterned.
Yeah,
Yeah, with
yeah, yeah, yeah. You
with
Yeah,
don't have
futures,
25, then
that's
you
also the
get
thing.
cooked.
Yeah,
Yeah, you
futures
yeah,
only
you
get
can
three
trade, bro,
trades.
all day.
yeah, with futures, there's no limit or anything.
That's really nice. I don't know. I've just never I never knew like about futures. I never like learned about it, so that's why I've
And,
always been like kind of hesitant towards it.
and most brokers are discount brokers. So like for one, like you really only need like 50 to $100 for your first contract. Although it's recommended you
Yeah.
have more in case the trade doesn't go in your direction. Technically, I've traded with $50 before
Right.
and made money. So you just trade micro contracts, which are just smaller, but you can technically still make money. Versus stocks, where like if you really want to make money, you need like thousands and thousands to have like more shares and stuff.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah, like if I were you, just to get started, I would open a TradeOvate like paper account, and then so you get like
The feel for it.
yeah, me personally, I would do that. Like even when I become better as a trader, I'm gonna just stick with futures. I already know that.
I'm assuming you guys have like these links in like your like the Discord somewhere, right?
Here, I'll post them. Because I'm not in a trade right
That'd
now.
be lit.
Yeah, like make an account through TradeOvate. I recommend TradeOvate because it's simple and they're technically a discount broker. So
Right.
although they did just raise the prices, I think contracts for like 10 cents or something, but it's still like
Whoa, look at this news, bro.
oh, is it pumping it or is it dropping?
It's
Yeah.
dropping for now.
We might drop off this.
I hope
I'm
Order
we
not gonna.
do.
submitted.
Fuck.
Yeah, see, look at that. I'm not gonna take a trade off this though. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna just put it in general, bro. All right, and then you can check it out.
Hey, bro.
So this is TradeOvate. And do you already use TradingView or no?
Yeah, I use TradingView only to chart though. I've never used it to trade.
All right. Well, if
Yeah.
it's the same thing. You can take trades off TradingView. But yeah, if you already know how to use it, that's good. But yeah, TradeOvate, and then the ticker for on TradeOvate, the ticker for NQ is like kind of weird. I think it's this right now, NQH24 or something like that. But on TradingView, it's just NQ.
Right.
So NQH24 is what TradeOvate would look at, and then TradingView is just NQ with the exclamation.
Yeah, I don't know
Right.
why. I don't like entering trades off of TradingView.
Shoot.
I like
A
Ninja
lot of
Trader for executions and TradingView
Order
for like
filled.
charting.
people say the TradingView is laggy. I've heard that from a lot of people, but for me, it's pretty responsive, pretty quick.
Yeah, I think it's responsive for sure.
Stop filled.
The reason I like to do it is because you just have everything mapped out right here, so it's just easier. I'm gonna see how we break. Are you in the short swisher or no? You're just waiting.
No.
Tesla's dropping like a motherfucker.
Yeah, so I could see us going down to 665 to we'll wick it or test it, and then that will let me know what's going on. Like if we bounce back off of it, we might go up, but
Yeah, I don't like this shit.
You guys do this every morning? Like you guys like make a little call, like trade?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Swush
Sick.
trading every morning.
Swush trade. None of you are like in school or anything?
I have a full-time job, but I get off an hour before market opens, so it gives me like just enough time.
You get off before market opens?
Like an hour before, yeah.
Dude, do you work from like 12 to like 8 a.m.?
Uh, I'm on West Coast time, but yeah,
Damn, that's fucking early, dude.
yeah,
Dedication.
That's the grind right there. That's that
Yeah.
grind.
sure is.
Order filled.
I love it though, because it's like I'm young, so I got time for it right now. It's better that I learn now anyway.
Yeah, it's fire. Yeah, no, I got.
Yo, this is the last trade for real. This is my last test. If it wicks me out, I'm done. I don't like this price action, to be honest. This is the last trade. I just want to test a short here. I really am bullish for the day, bro, or I'm bearish for the day. But if it doesn't give it to us, it doesn't give it to us. So this is the last trade for the day. To fill down here. Yeah. Yep. This is the last trade of the day. Last trade of the day. If this does hit, we'll be looking at 174 ticks here. We're going to ride this down all the way to 17,631. And yeah, if it doesn't hit, it doesn't hit. I'm walking away for the day. But let's see.
Yeah, do you guys like what type of like indicators do you use for like your trades? Like, do you just use like trend lines and stuff, or do you actually like use like Bollinger Bands or like
Wait,
something like
is
that?
there automatic trend lines?
Yeah, they're definitely. But yeah,
Dude, I'm trying to figure out something, bro. I don't know. Dude, I like EMAs. The EMAs, VWAP. EMAs and VWAP is pretty much it.
It's fire. Yeah, I use an MA and I use like just trend lines and like I use a Bollinger Band. I like it a lot.
Okay, yeah.
Play. Oh yeah, Apple's almost there, boys. Almost there.
Yeah. I did jump into shorts at the top of that break. This is my last trade of the day, though. I'm not trading no more after this. 60 ticks. 40 ticks.
Yeah, I'm up on the day too, so I'm even though I could have got back in, I'm chilling right now. I
Okay,
want to.
well,
I've
this
been
green
blasting.
candle's not good.
Yeah, yeah. I just invalidated the. Well,
Come
technically, no, I didn't.
on, up a little more, up a little more.
What are you're trading Apple?
Dude, I just want I like I wanted to hit like 187.12 and like it just hit it and it's gonna drop a little bit, so I'm gonna buy a put now.
Have you joined any like Discords or anything or?
I have before, but what I realized about joining like a trading Discord for options is that I feel like they literally just put out like random calls and stuff, and they're just like, all right, go for it. Like, I don't know. I don't really like. I don't think it's great.
Who'd you join?
This guy named Godo for options or something on Instagram. I can send you his like profile.
Uh,
It actually just broke above it. I don't know if I want to buy put right now.
yeah.
You got stopped
That
out or no?
No, it's close though.
Yeah.
It's very close.
Yeah. See, now we're in like we're in a consolidation area because we're like near the consequent encroachment of a fair value gap that I marked, which is like means that price could just bounce around this area for like hours basically if it wants to.
Right on my entry. Nice. Great.
Yeah.
Great. I'm up 40 ticks actually, just like reversed on me. So
I would, dude. If it, I would take it out as soon as you feel like around that because
I'm gonna
it
see
closed.
if it breaks that previous low, I'm gonna hold.
Okay, yeah, because there's a good chance we could just go reject back up.
Yeah, I'm up. How much am I up right now? 60 ticks
I
in.
do my taxes, bro. I totally don't want to do that. What yeah, I'm not taking a trade in this area. Nah, bro. Forget that. I might even take a long, dude. Because we hit that low and we spiked right up and it failed to make lower lows after that. So it's telling me we're bullish now, but I don't know.
Want to see a break of this low.
Yo, is everything about futures the same as stocks? Like it opens at 9:30 and like whatnot. Like,
Yeah, futures markets are open 23 hours a day.
oh wow.
Yeah. So you
The
can
Yeah, it's
trade
like
like,
it's like forex and options had a baby.
yeah, literally.
Pretty sick.
No, if it doing good.
what time frame are you on, Swisha?
I got the 1 minute up, 5 minute up also.
Yeah, you see the low of that candle at 10:05. The low, the low wick of that. If we get
Yes.
anywhere near that, I would just get out because there's a low chance we're gonna break through that.
Yeah, I can move to break even right now. But if we do break that, then I'm holding for a little bit longer. I'm gonna hold for like another 100 ticks if we break that.
What are you at? You're at 50.
50, yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad. That's a good trade actually. It's not bad.
If it goes in my direction, yeah. Or it could be a really shitty trade. Guess Elmo.
So do you all use like those accounts that lend money, or you guys just use your own money?
Right now, I'm just trading through prop firms. I have opened my own account though with live money.
Right. And do you like when you make money, you keep like a percentage of it?
Well, every company does it different, but like some it's like a 90-10 split. Some it's 100% for the first like couple thousand. The companies all do it different.
Right.
They all have different rules and payouts.
Yeah, I'm getting cooked right now.
I think I'm gonna wait. Yes, I'm gonna take a look at Apple. Let me see what's up with that.
Dude, it just like shot up like crazy in the last like hour.
Were you taking shorts on it?
Yeah, I want to take shorts on it, but I'm like it's so high right now. I thought it was gonna like stop at 187.
Did you
12.
take? You saw that it dropped on market open?
Yeah, no, it opened. I mean, like when the market opened, yeah, it fell. It, like
Yeah,
straight fell.
yeah, it was a manipulation move. See, now that it hit the recent candle on the 1 minute, since it's reaching back into those highs, right now might not be a bad time to take a short. Because what's going to happen is price either breaks through that high and creates higher highs, or it's just going to tap that level, and then just drop.
Oh. Yeah, but Apple seems to be like it's like a steady stock usually. Like it doesn't like I don't know.
Have you ever traded Tesla?
Dude, I want to kill myself whenever I trade Tesla. Dude, that shit is AIDS. That shit is that's like an emotional roller coaster trading Tesla.
Yeah,
Like literally every minute it moves like $10 and you're just cooked.
that shit's wild. Bro, I bet um like traders way back in the day would have never expected markets to like play like this.
Dude, you're 100% right, bro. I just watched a documentary on it was called Flooring, I think, or Floored or something, and it
Lord,
was
yeah.
yeah, and it came out like it was literally they were recording like the transition between like floor traders that were like had to yell and like scream to get prices and like get orders and stuff, and like they had to hire like therapists to like ease those traders into computer trading because they didn't want to do it. It's like they were so opposed against it.
That's
Yeah, the
crazy.
therapist had to be like, "No, it's gonna be okay," and they're like, "I'm never gonna win a trade now with this shit."
Wait, what's it called?
It's called
Lord,
Floored.
Floored?
Yeah, it's really good, bro.
yeah.
It's a really good documentary.
We'll watch
It's
that.
only like
Yeah,
it's only
I
like
don't
an
think I
hour.
can trade. I don't think I can trade Apple today. It's cooking.
I just
Like
looked
at
at it. It's
least for
I'm telling you, bro.
These shorts. Never mind, bro. The market is my bitch. That's what my friend texted me. That's so funny.
Oh, it created a gap. Interesting.
I mean, you see on Apple on the 1 hour that the 200 MA is like right at 188.5 around. So
It's
it might
gonna
just like it
it's
might
gonna
just
go.
tap that. If it goes over, then it's like it's gonna fucking like just cock.
Okay, I don't like how he didn't like go down
I
any
do, I
lower.
do, I do not want to be this. Might have to like stop it up.
I'm moving to break even here. Or just above break even. Yo, my friend texted me like 15 minutes ago. He said, "Think I'm too greedy." Uh,
He thinks he's too greedy.
Almost had a heart attack even though it's fake money. Never mind, bro. The market is my bitch. He just texted me. That's how fast the market moves, bro.
My gosh, dude.
That's
Sounds like he's
funny.
all over the place. Here, did I send it? Let me put it in the thing. It's such a good documentary, bro. Those guys, it showed you like guys that like made it big in trading back before electronic. It was like super dope.
Mhm.
Hey, can you guess how can I afford this?
The dudes were pissed though. Like 99% of the traders, when they were going electronic full time, they were pissed, bro.
That's crazy.
They were so used to it being like outcry or whatever.
Yeah. I'm about to
Oh,
hit
dude,
here
it's
for
dropping. Did you stay in the trade? Did you stay in?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, you're up, bro. You're up.
I'm about to fill for like 170 ticks, I think.
Bro, that's a good ass trade, bro. That is a solid ass trade.
Target filled.
170 ticks on that. That was nice. Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice, yes.
If you're gonna hold, there's I don't even know where the levels are at for this. There's definitely lower levels. There's a level at 632. There's a level at 628. There's a level at 620. Oh, this thing is free falling, bro. Yo, should have got in the shorts again, dude. Did you already take profit? Or are you holding this bitch?
Nah, I held 170 ticks.
Oh shit, dude. Yeah, we could draw. There's 3 levels it could keep going down to, but yeah.
Fuck that, I'll take
Yo,
profits.
can one of y'all like share screen so I can like see how it looks? Or is that
NQ? How NQ looks?
No, but doing good things.
hello?
Yeah, hold on. Nice, 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 nice.
Dude. Wonder what it's gonna go. Oh yeah, there's a fair value gap below this. It starts at 70, at 570. So there's a good chance we could go down into that fair value. It's massive too. So that might be the new consolidation area once it resets.
Damn, I should have held this bitch. Holy fuck.
Yeah, because there's a fair value gap at 70, starting at 570. So
I should
looks
have
like it wants to
held.
go back into the area. Dang, dude. Yeah, I had shorts way early on too. If I would have held this, I'd have been up like stupid crazy.
Make money. Never.
I still
About to hit.
oh
Dude,
god,
it's
like $1,000 out of it. But did you stay in?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, you're up, bro. You're up. Yes, sir. Anyway, all right, guys, I'm out. I'm done for the day. I'm up, so I'm gonna just call it.
Alright, man. GG's.
All right, y'all.
Good.
Take it easy.
Have a good one.
No more trades from me. I'm out that.
Yo, can you share like how your screen looks? I want to see like what like it looks like. I don't know if that makes sense. Like what future trade looks like.
Yeah. Share screen. So this is Ninja Trader right here.
Right. So that's where you
And
trade. Like that's where you take your trades, and then that's
this,
just trading you.
yeah, exactly. I like to keep the 1 minute open on the left side here. I also have the 10 minute on this side, which can be
Right. So
nice.
your trades are like very short term, then, right?
Very short term. Yeah.
And like if you wanted to buy a contract, can you show me like how you want to like buy a contract? Like if you
Okay,
wanted to
so
buy a contract,
it's
right?
different for everyone, keep in mind, but like
Right.
you can either use these right here, buy
Yeah.
market, buy ask, sell ask, buy bid, sell bid.
I'm assuming it's like limit and the market price type thing.
It's what?
Or no? It's like limit price and market price. Or you put like a
Yeah,
market price.
yeah,
The
exactly.
price.
Like if you're buying longs, you would do buy bid. If you're doing shorts, you would do sell ask.
What's a long? A long's like a call.
Here, look, let me take a trade on the sim actually. Okay, so if I was to take a short, I want to place a sell limit here.
Right.
Order submitted.
Just
You made a sell limit.
right click and click buy stop limit. For you. Okay, I can't put it above that. And then you can set up like your strategy, so like how much you want to risk and how much you want to make. So mine is my stop loss is 40 ticks and my take profit's 120 ticks. And you can customize that to whatever you want, but let me get
That's
filled,
cool.
bro. Fuck.
Order filled.
Okay, see? And then
So your take profit is the green line and your red line's your stop loss.
Yep. And then if it's gonna break this, come on, bro. But yeah, it's literally that simple to buy a contract. You don't need to look at Greeks or anything. You just buy and sell where you
Stop
want,
filled.
and you get stopped, and that's it. See? Down 200 now. So
Yeah.
that's my like that's how
But
much
how do
I
you know like how much
risk.
money like you put into that trade? Like for this paper account, like how do you see like how much money you put in that trade?
Well, for my strategy, I risk $200 to make 600, so it's a 3-to-1 RR.
Okay.
Which on this trade right here, it was a
Holy
four,
shit, Apple
four to
just dropped
one.
like
I think it was a 4-to-1, which is pretty good. Oh, 4.3 RR on that trade I took.
4.3 RR.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Which that means I could take 4 losses and 1 win puts me positive.
Even.
Or at even.
Positive?
Even.
Yeah.
But
That's sick.
4.33 RR, technically, that's why I'm up $130 because I took 3 L's earlier, or 4 L's.
That's sick.
But yeah.
Dude, I'm happy right now. Apple just dropped like a whole dollar.
Dude, my
I'm really
original entry this morning, bro, stopped me out by like so close, bro. Would have paid. Fuck.
that's like you can move. I'm assuming you can move your stop losses and stop
Oh,
like
yeah, look.
you know what I mean?
Order filled.
See, like I can move. Oh shit, I
Yeah,
took
you
this
can
on my live
spread it.
account. Fuck.
Order filled.
Close that. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Close that, bitch.
Yeah.
Look,
Order filled.
you can like move it
Right.
so easy. I like you can do it
That's
on
sick.
TradingView too, but
That's
so
sick.
simple.
So you use what website do you use? Ninja? You said Ninja Trader or something like that?
Well, right now I'm trading on a prop firm account.
What does that mean?
I have like a 50K account, so I can trade up to like 6 contracts at most.
So let's say you made like $500 on a trade, like you're getting 10% of that or whatever it is.
I'll be making 80% until I can make 5 grand, and then it switches to a 90-10. Which,
Wait, you
yo,
make 80%.
I noticed that, bro. Apex's profit split for the
Target filled.
first 4 months is really like 70%. It's actually
Oh
really
yeah.
low. Yeah, because they limit you on how much you could make, like especially on a 150K account, your profit split is like fucking what, 50%? you make five grand, but you can only withdraw 2,400
Well, for the first two withdrawals, I think.
first 4 months of withdrawals,
Oh,
which is ass, bro.
oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's why I'm trying to take profit now.
Is anybody else in the loans?
I'm not.
Oh, all right.
It's like I mean I don't know if like I would be down to get into futures. I just don't know much about futures. Like I mean I guess it's just trading, but like
Well, yeah, it's all the same shit, but and
yeah.
there's just no Greeks, bro. That's literally the only difference. You're just
Would
buying
you
and
ever
selling
hold like a trade like long term on like a forex like on like a futures?
on futures. Yeah, if I had a live account, I if I wanted to swing this, I would probably hold to this level, this low.
Right. But you're not trading like stocks. You're trading like the Nasdaq or something. Like you're trading like
Well, we're trading the Nasdaq, but we're not actually like buying stock. We're buying contracts.
right.
So we don't actually own the stock.
I mean, if you guys do this every morning, I'm like, if I can like hop in and learn, I'd be happy to fucking hop in.
Yeah, I'll start screen sharing if you want, or you could. I'm live on YouTube every morning too.
Are you live on YouTube every morning? But then I can't really talk to you though if you're on YouTube.
Yeah, so just hop in the chat, and I'll screen share or whatever.
That's fire. Yeah, that'd be lit. So let me download it. This guy said.
But bro, just watch some YouTube videos. Like literally, YouTube has all the
YouTube
knowledge.
University.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
Just
I mean,
all the knowledge you could ever ask for.
but I never know like which traders on YouTube are like for real. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Don't look at anybody fancy, bro.
Yeah, exactly. If they're selling something, then it's some bullshit.
everyone's selling
Yeah.
something, bro.
Wait, it's a pay as you trade with no monthly fee. I don't get this. $35 micro. What?
Oh my god, bro. My first two entries, bro, stopped out by so fucking close. But yeah, just watch some videos on like futures trading. Watch like the pros and cons. Watch options trading versus futures trading. And you could really see the difference between the two.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna check it out because like I just also I don't really understand like the using money part by like borrowing money. Like why do you need to use like an account with 50K?
Well,
I get like you get more contracts and stuff,
you
but
don't need to, but like if I opened the account like $1,000 account right now, right? Say I put $1,000 into a live account,
right.
I wouldn't feel comfortable risking $200 a trade, right?
Yeah, but what happens if you lose money on like a big account like that?
Well, then you lose it, but the test fee, like, hold on, like, so first you have to pay for the test, right?
Right.
So a test is usually like it's like $50, call it, but it's different for everyone. Like, um, but you put 50, but you buy an account for $50, and if you hit the profit target on your account, then they give you a live account. And sometimes some prop firms make you pay an activation fee. So some it's like $150 max to have a live funded account. And once you pass that test and you move to a live funded account, then that money you start to make is actually like you'll be able to withdraw. Most prop firms make you make like 2 grand or 3 grand before you could request a withdrawal.
Hmm.
Um, and again, some it's 100% profit split, some it's 60. But Yeah, that's
I
pretty
guess
much
cool.
how
Yeah,
it works.
I'm gonna check out some videos today.
But
You know what else I'm trying to do? I'm trying to do the TikTok shop, bro. I'm gonna I'm hopping on there too.
what are you trying to sell?
I'm trying to sell. I'm just trying to do like the affiliate thing, cause like
Oh,
I'm doing like a niche type of thing. I want to see
what
if it works.
for what?
Like just I live in a college dorm, and I have like a couple roommates that like also kind of want to do it. Like they're also into it. So like
Mm-hmm.
we're gonna like buy like a few products. Like you can like request products from like status. We're not gonna have to buy them, but like you request a few products. Like we're gonna request like some dorm things and just like I don't know, make videos about them, see how it goes. We're gonna try for like do like 2 or 3 videos a day for like a couple weeks, see how it goes, and like see if it's like profitable or not.
How does it like? What are you trying to like
So like you
sell
basically
though?
like you order like I mean like our thing is called dorm essentials. So like it would be like anything like dorm related, like dorm room related. You know, like a little like lamp or like a fucking
Mm-hmm.
shelving or like whatever, like
I like
air
that.
purifier, like whatever. And it's like first of all, it's convenient because we can use all that stuff because we live in a dorm. Like second of all, like it's also like might as well make videos about it, like with the link and see like if we can actually like make some profit from it. It would be lit. And it doesn't really cost us anything, so
Mm-hmm.
we basically just be like the affiliate like marketers, not really like the sellers. But but like I've seen like a lot of people like I have a couple friends who do it and they're in college and they like actually make like a few hundred a month. So from like just posting a couple videos, so can't be so bad.
So it's
Yeah,
your own shop.
yeah, no, so it's not like your own shop. You're just like you go on like the
You make
shop
you
and you
make
like
videos of
request.
it, and then you have a link in your bio, and you get paid on people
Yeah,
that buy
like
from the
link
link.
or like you ever seen like those videos with the link in the video?
I know the people that do it with like the Andrew Tate New World shit.
Yeah, like so you can do that and like you just put the link in the video and anyone who buys from like your link
Mm-hmm.
will like you know you get like a commission. Like some of these products that you actually make like 30 or 40% on 'em. So it's like if you can actually make money from like selling. Like the top like the best thing to do is like definitely to what's it called? To be like the seller, like the main man, you know, like selling everything and like giving out the links.
Mm-hmm.
Because then you just have like other people doing your work for you. But like I don't know, it's like you have to like be like the actual like you need like a warehouse, like all your products and shit. Like, you'd be like the guy shipping everything out, you know? Like that's like I don't know. I don't know. I'm just not like I'm not trying to do like that much. The videos are like just kind of simple. I'll see how it goes.
Mm-hmm. Dude,
So,
have you looked into like doing Amazon at all?
like FBA.
Yeah, or just selling?
I don't know. Amazon takes like a solid fee. What I heard, like I think like a big percent, and like that's also I don't know. I think Amazon. I haven't looked into it too much. I just knew like it took like a big percentage of like your profit, and it was like you know. But then Amazon does like all the work for you though. Like you ship your products to Amazon, and then like whenever someone buys it, like, they'll ship it out and they'll like figure it all out.
Yeah.
So like in that part, like it's nice, but like you have to just kind of like wait for your products though. There's like so much competition on Amazon. If you don't have like the bestseller like tag or like most popular or whatever, then like you're really probably not doing too well. I don't
Mm-hmm.
think so.
My friend does it, and him and his brother actually do it, and he was saying it's pretty decent.
That's sick. It's probably also like really passive because you just send it off to Amazon. Like they just do the rest of the work.
Yeah. I'm just always looking for like the next thing to do, you know?
Yeah, I hear that. I like the like features that are sick. Like
Yeah,
I'm
Futures
happy
is
that
dope.
you're like I'm happy that you're into like this like thing. Like it's fire.
Yeah.
Are you using the same YouTube that you had from like the Dutch Aronson like
Mhm.
vlogs type?
Mhm.
Yo, you're lit. You're lit. You're lit. You're lit.
Yeah.
That's
I
crazy.
need to make a comeback video
I know, bro. You
and
do.
like
You're like, what are you doing?
put
Bro,
some clickbait ass thumbnail on there. Dude,
bro, you need to.
those videos are so funny, bro.
The old ones?
The old ones, bro, were
Dude,
like,
They were yeah,
me,
they're
you,
hilarious.
Joe in there, like that shit is too funny, bro.
You remember when we brought this kid Jackson and shot him with a paintball gun?
Oh my god, yeah.
Dude,
Yes,
he's like,
bro.
doesn't hurt, doesn't hurt. He's like, it doesn't hurt.
We lit him
That
up,
shit
bro.
was, yeah, you lit him up, bro. He was like, nah, bro, it doesn't hurt. Trust.
I don't think that ever made it on the videos.
No, it didn't, but that would have been hilarious. That was hilarious. It's crazy.
Yeah.
Dude, why'd you ever stop, bro? You had like 15, you had like, what, how many subscribers you had? I feel like you had like more than 15K, no? Or am I crazy?
18K.
Yeah, you were cooking.
I know.
It's all good. The comeback is here.
Yeah. I don't know. That's why I need to make a comeback video, and I need to explain it all in depth.
Yo, do you know this guy on Instagram? I think that you would like. You should probably like try to reach out to him. He does futures too. I just followed him. His name's like TJT or something like that. Yeah, TJTR
TJR?
Trading. Yeah, you know Tyler Riches or something like that. His name's Tyler Riches.
Yeah, TJR trading?
Oh yeah, TJR. My bad.
Yeah, I know him.
Seems pretty cool.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, but you gotta get in there.
I wish. Fuck,
You
that'd
gotta
be
get in there,
clout
bro.
right there, bro.
Bro, you gotta get in there. You gotta hit him up or something.
I know. He's too big for me though. Like straight up.
Do you think so? He only has like 120K on Instagram.
Yeah, that's too big for me, bro.
But you have like
I have 80
18K on
followers.
YouTube, bro.
I have 80 followers on
What's your Instagram? What's your Instagram?
Swush trading.
Switch trading. Oh, here we go.
Yep. See,
Damn,
I
bro.
need to
80
grow a little
followers.
bit more.
Bro, you gotta throw this on YouTube, bro. Follow my Instagram. You gotta make a comeback video.
I know.
You gotta start cooking, bro.
I am, bro. That's the fucking plan here. And then grow this thing to be like a massive group. But all the core guys in here, like all the core guys that are here right now are
Right.
it's gonna be the core group. And then
That's sick.
everyone else is gonna have to pay a fee to join.
Yeah, bro. That's nice. Like, what? You can do like,
And then
dude, like this.
I'll do the affiliate thing too. So like, say like, if you do get into futures and you start making
Right.
videos on Instagram or on YouTube or on TikTok or whatever,
Yeah.
everyone that you get to buy a subscription to the Discord, you'll make like fucking 70% on that or something. You know, like I'll do some affiliate type shit.
Yeah, that's fire. You can give like affiliate links out and shit. And, like every time like they renew or whatever, you can like give them a little commission. That could be chill. Dude, what's it called? What was I saying? Dude, Apple just fall already. Like, stop being weird. Man. Like, you want to see how I trade, Dad? Should I share my screen?
Yeah.
Like, Pete, just proactivity right here. Share my screen. I just use my laptop. I have a monitor. I haven't really set it up to it though.
Let me see. All those Bollinger Bands.
You like those Bollinger Bands, no?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, they're fire. So like, look, I was watching it earlier here, and I saw like its top like around here. So I was like, hey, 187.12 type. And then like it fell to like here, and I was like, I'm just gonna wait for it to come back up because I knew it was gonna come back up like it always does. I was like, when it hits it again, I'll buy a put, right? So hit it again. I bought a put, and I've just been holding it because I feel like it could drop to like down here, like it's like
You
fucking
still
AIDS.
have it?
Yeah, I still have it. I'm still up, but like it just keeps hitting like the middle of the Bollinger Band and like moving back up.
Can you see how much you're in profit right now?
Yeah, I'll tell you right now. It's on my phone. I bought 2 contracts for My average cost is at 1.26, and right now the trade's at like 1.54. So I'm up $62 actually.
Oh shit. Okay.
$62.
It's not bad.
So yeah, it's not bad. It's lit, but like I know that I can go. It could be up more. Like once it breaks this middle Bollinger Band and like gets under here, like 185, 185, then I'm like balling.
Yeah, you'll
It's
be
like
rich.
like I don't want to be greedy, you know? Like
Yeah. Wait, can you like zoom out? I want to see more of like how the technicals play out on this.
what do you mean by zoom out? Like going to like a bigger time frame?
Yeah, go to like that. Or just like scroll over on the left. Like, does it play off like your levels pretty good? It looks like it does.
Yeah, the Bollinger Bands. Yeah, I really like the Bollinger Bands. I don't like. I'll never like just use the Bollinger Bands. Like if it hits like the top, like here, like I would never just use this to like buy or sell a trade. Like I would definitely like make sure like look at like the trend line first, or like see like how I'm feeling, like whatever. But it keeps it like pretty well. Like it's pretty like on top of it. Like it follows it pretty well. Like especially when it trades sideways. I like how it trades sideways, like in a Bollinger Band, because it like shrinks the Bollinger Band, which like tells me that there's gonna be like a big move soon. Like you can see like right here it trades sideways, and then it kind of like popped. But the
Do you
same
trade
thing
like
like here.
SPY or SPX, shit like that?
No. Honestly, my favorite stock is just Apple to trade. I've always been profitable with Apple. Like anytime like I hit like Tesla has rated me. Like look at this, bro. How is it down $12 today? You see this? Like this doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, that
Like
shit's crazy, bro.
like what the fuck, bro? Like it should already dropped. Like how do I do like here? Got the ruler
Damn.
type. Oh, peep. It's down fucking like it's just ridiculous.
Bro, how
What
much would
up?
that be off like?
Dude, if you had a put, you'd be like actually rich.
That's the thing I don't like about options though, is like you don't know how much you would actually be up.
Yeah, you
And I
don't,
don't
because
like.
it's a matter of like volatility. It's like option contracts go up by like other people buying or selling them. Like if there's a higher demand, then like the prices go up. Like, and the higher demand comes from like when the price drops or goes up when you buy a call or a put. So like you
Right.
can't really like it doesn't really tell you like how much you're gonna make because
What I
it
like
depends on
about
like all the
futures
volume.
though is you can calculate all that.
Yeah, that's so much more safe. Like this is like so much more risky. But like look, I'm lit. See, like it. Oh my god, just go under, bro. Stop being weird.
Safest way to run options is running a wheel strategy.
Yeah,
Running the what?
yeah, bro.
The wheel strategy.
The fuck
The
is
wheel
that?
strategy.
Yeah. So basically, you get your instrument. Whatever you want to trade. I mean, you gotta have some bread though to cover the 100 shares. And what you'll
Oh,
do
is
is
that
you'll
like is
sell.
that like when you buy 100 shares and then like you sell the contract or something and like
Well,
you
well, you don't gotta buy them though. You just gotta have the money for your collateral basically. And
right
what you'll do is you'll set a low strike price. You'll sell a put at a low strike price. So automatically you're going to collect the premium up front. You wait for your week to expire worthless or whatever, and then you just do the same thing. So your strike price is a discounted price that you wouldn't mind buying that stock at. So when it does hit it, it's already cool because you got it at a low price, plus discounted from the premiums you've already collected prior to that. So then
right
when you get assigned and you get those 100 shares, now you sell calls. You're saying, oh, this won't reach this number. It won't reach this strike price. And the strike price will be higher than what you paid for it. So essentially, if it does hit it, you'll be making bread on it, plus the money you've collected from your premiums prior to that. So I mean, it's like one of the safest ways to really just keep going round and round.
yeah it's sick I don't know I've never really like I don't have 20 racks to like cover my collateral with Apple shares but
I mean, if you got like $600, you can find this. What I mean, something that.
yeah something small.
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
New guy, how you doing? Mr. Nuker.
He's on mute. So there you go.
You just hit Salam Alaikum?
Yeah. Right.
Yeah, I wanted to go under this so bad. Like, just go under 185, bro. Just hit it.
Where are you gonna take profit?
Like right now, I'm up like $80. Like, I could just sell it and probably be happy. But like,
Hmm.
I know, like, you see the, so you see the, like, here, like, I'll show you the MA, like
Dude,
the flat.
honestly, bro, if you can make $80 a day, bro, like that's fucking solid. Honestly.
Yeah, but I can only make 3 day trades a week. That's why it's got to be like, you know what I mean? It's got to be like,
Bro,
I like,
move to futures, bro. Move to futures, Ariel, bro. I'm
bro.
telling you.
I'm actually so down. I'm like really into it. I gotta watch some videos to learn. Like, I just haven't learned about it. That's why I haven't been like, I haven't probably got into it.
You can put $100 into a futures account and you could take as many trades as you want all day, all week.
That's so sick. Like that's so like that. Just knowing that is like so cool.
No
Because I
passive
only
day
get 3
trader,
trades.
bro.
Yeah, that shit's so nice. But look, okay, Pete, this is where I'm gonna take profit. You see this MA right here, the 200 MA on the 5 minute chart,
Mhm.
this blue line.
Mhm.
Once it hits this MA, I'll probably sell.
Okay.
That's where I'm gonna sell. Or I mean,
That
like,
looks solid.
yeah, because it's like it's gotta come back. Like it always tests it. It's a 5 minute chart, so it's not like super strong. So like it's more likely to like hit. And like even if it hits, it'll probably break 100. But like if I held it for longer, like I have a feeling that if I held it for like a while, like it
Mhm.
would probably fall back down to like this MA on the 1 day at like 182, and then I'd be like super rich. But
Yeah, is that out the money or in the money?
I'm in the money. See this blue line here, like this middle one. This is like pretty much like where I made my trade. So this is like my break even.
Okay.
So like so anything under it is like I'm living.
Everything's in the money though, right? Everything
What
No,
do
that
you mean?
shot
Swift.
a new high?
No. Like it was out of the money here. See, like it hit like here, like this today. This like one red candle.
Wait, what?
So like
How does it consider in the money or out of the money? I forgot.
um well you're in the money like when you're under like your strike price. Like you're like for options trading, like if your strike price is 185, let's say, then right now I'd be out of the money. But if I'm under 185, like if it's 184, if the price is like I don't know what I'm saying right now. Let me happen. Um, yeah, so like out of the money is like when it's over your strike price, and in the money is when it's under the strike price.
Yeah, that's okay. That's what I thought. And out the money is worth more, right?
In the money is worth more. Out of the
In the
money is worth
money
more.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you want to be in the money.
Huh.
or real close to it.
Yeah, to get the bread.
So is this
My
that
first
counts?
my first class was just canceled today, so I'm lit. I get to sit here and watch Apple.
Oh yeah. Respect it.
Dude, I'll be like in class, like looking at my fucking screen on my phone. Like, I'll be like, yo,
Bro, switch to futures, bro. I want to trade with you.
I know it would actually be fire. It'd be fun. Like we'd actually like make bread and it'd be lit. It'd be
Yeah.
fun. I'm like, why does it gotta go back up? Like, you know what I'm saying? It's being weird now. Like,
That's being weird on NQ.
so this is like my problem though. Like, since I'm up, like, should I just take my money and like be happy? You know what I mean? Like,
That's
What I
or
everyone's
always
like,
say,
should I
mindset.
swoosh,
wait?
swoosh.
Like,
What I
you know,
always say.
Nobody
like
ever went broke taking profits.
that's
Yeah.
I just take
Damn
profit.
true.
Like, I'm up $60. I don't gotta like worry about anything. Like, you know what I
Nah,
mean? Like,
bro, that's lunch and dinner for and
it's
that's
20%.
lunch,
You know,
dinner,
I'm
and
up
breakfast
21.
if you want
Yeah, bro. I'm
for the
up
day.
21%. I might just take profit. Like, I don't need to watch it anymore.
Yeah.
Let me just let me just see if it's a good time to sell. See, like, I don't want it to break over this at May.
Wait,
Then
the
it's gonna
price
shoot up.
action kind of looks like NQ today.
Yeah, Apple. I feel like Apple trades similar to like SPY. So like if NQ is like SPY, then like it'll all look kind of the same.
Hmm.
Oh, should I just take my money, bro? Free money. Like, what am I doing?
That's what I'm saying. I could walk away with like $100 today on this account. It's not much, but
Oh, but I'm gonna like want to shoot myself later. If I look at the market at like 3 p.m. and it's like down here, or like fucking like Oh no, see, we got a good candlestick here. Oh my god.
bro, where's Connie at, bro? Where is this fool?
All right, now I'm getting out, bro. I should take my money.
So give me my money.
New guy, what you falling asleep? I know you. What, you ain't usually up
Oh
right
no,
now, huh?
dude, I actually can't sell.
Oh shit.
No, I can't sell. I'm gonna be a pattern trader if I sell. I didn't realize.
Wait, so you can't sell?
No, I have
No,
to wait until I have to
Until
wait
you
until
close?
can't close that position in the same day.
I have to wait till tomorrow to sell it. Oh, I'm raped. I'm raped. I just lost all my money. No, I thought that I had it every week.
Why does it work like that, bro?
Because
That's
they don't want you.
bullshit.
They want you to have some bread involved, and then they lock your account until you put 25 bands in there. Oh yeah.
Yeah, or you have to like call them and like cry about it, and then they're like, "I want it." No, that's so weird. That's so weird. Yeah, I guess we're holding it all day, boys.
Fuck.
So we're either gonna be
Good
lit
luck.
or thanks. Fuck, that's actually AIDS. I thought that I had trades because it was a new week, but I don't.
Damn.
Dude, how is Tesla at $175? That's ridiculous.
So, damn. Wow, bro, that's crazy.
Yeah, because you have to wait a week. Like, I guess I made my last day trade on like I use all 3 day trades by. I think I have to wait until. I'm gonna have to wait until. I think I have to wait 2 more days. 2 more days until I can make a day trade. I don't wait till Wednesday.
Hey, bro, that's
That's
another
that's actually.
reason to switch to futures.
But like futures cost like 100 a month though. Like, what if I'm not profiting like 100 a month? You know what I
What do you
mean?
mean it costs 100?
How much does it cost a month? Doesn't it? Don't you have to pay for the account?
It's like $30. It all depends what
What?
size account you get, but I mean to get it like
Like,
$50
Dutch,
and
like
then
you're
like
like you're
$37 a month if until you pass.
until I pass. What do you mean?
My account right now is $100 flat. There's no other fees involved.
Right, so you pay 100 a month, so that means that you got to profit at least
A
100 a
hundred?
month to be
No, no,
like
no, no,
even.
no, 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 no. Because I don't think it becomes monthly once it becomes a live account. I don't know if the monthly fee is still a thing.
Dude, the fact that I gotta hold this to tomorrow is actually like scaring me. Like, I'm actually kind of like gonna crack.
And bro, yeah, that's scary as fuck.
Oh my god. I mean, luckily I only bought 2 contracts. Could be worse. I mean, I'm up. I'm still up.
Honestly, I think today could be bearish though. Like you might get lucky and this thing
Dude,
might fucking die.
dude, I really thought because it was a new week that like I had my 3 trades back. But like you have to wait like a week after you do like your last trade. I think
That's so ass.
it's so weird. All right, it's fine. It's gonna break. It's gonna go to like 182. I'm gonna wake up in the morning and Apple's gonna be like $2. I'm gonna be rich.
Yeah,
But yeah,
let's get
futures
it.
is.
Futures is looking a lot better
Yeah,
now.
I tried out that like the put and the call thing last week,
Yeah,
and like Apple was down like $6 when market open, so I thought I'd be up like more than I thought, like more than like I thought I'd be up like at least double, like for my put contract.
yeah.
'Cause I bought them both like out of the money by $5, so like each contract was like worth the same at the time, and like I think it was because it was a Friday that like it didn't like there wasn't like I think if it was like a Wednesday or something, there was still more days in like the market because I bought the contracts to end on Friday. So I think if I bought them for later, I would have like made money. But since I bought them for like that Friday, I only made like $30 like off of like the put, and I lost like 80 on the call. So I lost $50.
What the
Just
hell?
A's.
That's what I'm saying, bro. You can actually straddle with futures as well. Like you can't do that shit on options, bro. I literally see no upside to options compared to futures. Okay, my camera's not working. Cool, cool, cool.
Yeah, you should stream on TikTok, Dutch. I think you'll get more like more action there.
Mhm. I need to figure
Because
out
I
how
mean,
though.
right? I feel like TikTok has got more like than YouTube these days. More traction.
Mhm. I think I probably average like 4 viewers on Instagram.
That's cool.
Or
I mean,
not on Instagram, on fucking YouTube. It's not much, but it honestly the short videos and the Instagram shorts or reels, whatever you call them,
yeah,
those short videos are what's bringing a lot of people into the Discord.
that's sick. Okay, wait, look. So let's say I wanted to sign up for this like trading view, like just paper trading for now. Like, what do I do? Like, I go to this guy's link that he sent in the chat,
Hmm.
Tony. I go to Tony's link, and then like
Wait,
to
hold
open
on,
an
hold on, hold on,
account.
hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Yo, chat, my camera is broken. I'm ending stream here. Good day today. Made $100, $86 after fees and shit. $100 though. Pretty solid. My camera just died, so I need to fucking fix this. But yo, I'm ending stream here. I will be back tomorrow at market open with the team. If you guys want to join Swush Trading, check the link in the description and join Swush Trading. We are a great community, got a lot of good traders and a lot of good people. I will see you guys tomorrow morning.